Hello everyone, did your taskbar or start menu suddenly stop working or become unresponsive? Well, you're on the right tutorial because today I am going to show you 4 easy methods to fix your unresponsive taskbar and start menu. Make sure to try each method one at a time until one works for you. Let's start with the easiest solution. Method 1. Restarting Windows Explorer. Windows Explorer is the one that controls the taskbar, start menu, and desktop. Restarting Windows Explorer refreshes the whole interface without rebooting your computer. Step 1. Press Ctrl plus Shift plus Escape key to open Task Manager. Or alternatively, you can press Ctrl plus Alt plus Delete and press Task Manager to open Task Manager. Next is find Windows Explorer. Right-click Windows Explorer and click Restart. The next method is run DISM and SFC. DISM stands for Deployment Imaging Service and Management Tool. It fixes Windows system images, and SFC, System File Checker, replaces any damaged system files. Step 1 is to open Task Manager again. Run New Task. Type in CMD and check the box that says Create this task with administrative privileges and click OK. Then run this command. This process may take a while. And it's finished. We will now proceed to the third method. The third method is rebuild the search index. If your start menu is stuck and the search bar is not working, rebuilding the index might solve it. Because a corrupted index can cause the start menu to become unresponsive. Step 1 is press Windows plus R, type in Control, click OK, and find indexing options. Click Advanced and click Rebuild under Troubleshooting. Click OK. And close. The fourth method is uninstalling recent updates. Sometimes, a new update can ruin your current settings or drivers. Uninstalling it might fix the issue. Step 1 is press Windows plus R and type in Control and hit Enter. Go to Programs, View Installed Updates, and click Uninstall. And that's all. I hope one of these methods help you fix your unresponsive taskbar, and start menu.
So, hi, I am John Ariel C. Espinas, and today I will show you how to fix frequent disconnection from Wi-Fi in your laptop or PC. So let's start. Our first option is to just restart your PC and click sa restart. Ganon din sa inyong router, restart nyo sila pareho. And kapag hindi yung gumana, let's proceed to our next option, which is to go to your Wi-Fi, right click, click forget, then connect nyo ulit. And tingnan nyo if stable ba yung connection. And if not, let's proceed to our third option. Go to your Windows menu, then settings, click network and internet, then click Wi-Fi. Pindutin nyo yung connected Wi-Fi nyo and choose private network. By choosing private network, this might fix your problem if your Wi-Fi is frequently disconnecting. And kapag hindi pa rin yung gumana, you need to update your driver or uninstall it. First is look for device manager, then click. Pagpunta nyo dito, look for network adapters, choose your device driver or your Wi-Fi driver, right click, update server, then click for search automatically for drivers, and click. And kapag lumabas naman is the best drivers for your device are already installed, ibig sabihin na updated na yung device driver, then close. If kapag updated na yung device driver mo and hindi pa rin siya gumagana or same problem pa rin, you need to uninstall your device driver and just click uninstall. After that, just need to restart your PC again and see if it works. Our last method is to change your DNS. To do that, you need to press Window and R at the same time. Then just type ncpa.cpl. Click OK. Then click your Wi-Fi, right click, choose properties, then choose Internet Protocol version for TCPA IP v4, then click properties. After that, wala naman tayong nababaguhin dito. The original ito yung nakalagay. So pipindutin mo lang tong use the following DNS server address. Then tatype natin yung fastest DNS of Google, which is 8888, 4 na A. Then sa baba naman is 884, and that's it. Press OK. close, then X. After that, just restart your PC and you're all good.
Hello, my name is Emerson Ramos. This video will show you how to effectively troubleshoot common problem. So, let's talk about corrupted files. So, ang corrupted files is digital files na nagkaroon ng damage. So, kahit i-open man siya or i-extract na pa rin siya, di pa rin siya kayang i-open kaya hindi siya kaya i-extract. So, let's begin our troubleshooting. Daming uri ng corrupted files. So kaya ang matatalakay ko lang ay about ZIP. Kasi may iba-ibang paraan maayos ang corrupted files. So let's begin. Ito yung ZIP or RAR na nagko-corrupt files. Kahit na i-extract ko, it confirmed na corrupt talaga ito. As you can see, andito pa naman mga naman ng picture sa loob ng RAR. So try natin i-restart. Di pa rin kaya siya i-fix. Try natin ibang way ang pag-extract nito. Kahit ano pa way na pag-extract, di pa rin talaga siya nagana. Our solution is 7-zip. Search mo, download and install. It's free to download. Ito, tandun mo lang to. And piliin mo yung 64-bit and download. After download, install the ZIP. Create a new folder on your desktop. Dito paglalagyan ang i-recover na files. Open ZIP, find your corrupted files. Click your corrupted files and extract. Pindutin yung tatlong dot. Find the location na i-create na files mo kanina. Click OK. Pagkatapos i-extract, pupunta sa located files. Makikita mo na ang accessible and usable na ang files nito. So para maiwasan ang pagkukorrupt ng files, if you transfer or downloading, paniguraduhin na nasa tamang GB or MB files dito. Always check your downloading or transferring files. So doon lang matatapos ang aking troubleshooting, and have a good day.
I'm Micah Didukay. I will show you on how to fix graphic not displaying correctly artifacts or glitches in your laptop. Screen is your window to the digital world, but what if that window starts to flicker, glitch, or distort your view? Don't worry, this quick easy guide will help you to fix graphic issue. Issue with graphic not displaying properly on your laptop. Restart your PC. Let's start simple. Restart your computer. A refresh reboot can clear up temporary bugs or GPU overload that cause visual glitches. Sometimes the easiest fix is the most effective. Step 2. Check your monitor and cables. Next, check your monitor cables. Make sure everything is plugged in securely. If the cable is damaged or loose, it can cause strange color, screen tearing, or blackouts. Try switching to a different port or cable if you can. 3. Update or reinstall graphic drivers. Now, let's go deeper. Your graphics driver might be outdated or corrupt. Press Windows and X, then click your graphic card and choose Update Driver. Select Search automatically. Still seeing glitches? Uninstall the driver. Then restart your PC. Windows will automatically reinstall and with a clean version. 4. Disable hardware acceleration in apps. Sometimes, apps like your browser or video editor are a problem. Go to your browser settings, search for hardware acceleration, and turn into off. This can stop flickering or tearing caused by how the app handles graphics. 5. Check for overheating and clean your device. Overheating is a hidden culprit. If your fans are dirty or blocked, your GPU might throttle or glitch. Use a soft brush or blower to clean the vents and check temperature using apps like HW Monitor, and keep your laptop or desktop cool and happy. Stuck, try booting in safe mode. Test with an external monitor or check for BIOS update. If you're using desktop, carefully reset the graphics card. It might be gotten loosened over time. Graphics should now be back to smooth and stable. That's all. Thank you.